Hey everyone, welcome to the Weekly Bites. Today is August 28th, 2020, and we have a bunch of news for you, obviously. Ever wondered what it would be like to fly right into a hurricane? Well, this week, users of Microsoft's new Flight Simulator 2020 game have done just that. With Hurricane Laura bearing down on the United States, Flight Simulator was the perfect opportunity for flight sim users everywhere to fly directly into a hurricane because the game mimics real-life weather. How amazing is that? Windows 10 build 2004 may be destroying your hard drive. Some users, especially in the preview ring of Windows 10 insiders, have noticed that the defragger is running almost constantly, which is entirely going to blow out your SSD in a lot faster time than it's designed to die. NVIDIA has released update 8.2 for the Shield TV platform. Among the many improvements are massive improvements to the AI upscaler, which is one of the key features of this latest generation Shield TV units. Overall, this marks update number update 25 for the Shield TV platform, which is unprecedented. You won't find 25 major updates to a Samsung Galaxy phone. Promise you that. Have you noticed that Microsoft's Surface Duo phone has been plastered all over media outlets across the internet? Well, I think it's time you check it out. It's a dual screen phone. It folds in half like a book. And you know what? It holds some promise. The thing though is, it is dual screen. It's not a foldable screen. Check it out. Do you have a GoPro? Well, for as little as $250, you can buy a GoPro and turn it into a high quality webcam. I mean, assuming you haven't already done that or gotten a webcam in the last 6 months of COVID, but, just in case. Google Pixel Buds owners. And I lump us in with them. We're kind of disappointed because the latest update, 550, was supposed to fix a lot of things. Among them, a bug in the Pixel Buds which causes audio to cut out once in a while, randomly, for just a second or so. But the problems persist, and we here at Bytesector can confirm that they can persist. So, come on, Google. They should work. They should have worked out of the box on day one, but certainly after a major firmware update, I mean, we went from version 296 to version 550 as a firmware? There should have been some significant fixes. That included. Are you waiting for a Galaxy Fold 2? Well, we might finally have an idea of what the pricing is. Yeah, that's right. Not official, of course, but we could be looking at 2,000 euros. At least that's the price that's been rumored to drop in Germany. We've also seen rumors of 1,800 British pounds. The good news is that both those prices are lower than what you'd pay in those countries for the original Galaxy Fold. So maybe we can expect a price drop here in the North America region. Do you want a PS5? I want a PS5. I mean, who doesn't, right? I am going to actually get both Microsoft and Sony consoles, but let's not get into that. The PS5. Rumors suggest that pre-orders could start as early as September. And rumors also suggest that we're looking at a mid-November launch, giving users a ton of time to buy this console before the holiday season. A mid-November launch makes the most sense for both Microsoft and Sony, given the timing of Black Friday. Who wants to miss that, right? And lastly, next week, NVIDIA drops, or is rumored to drop, their consumer-grade Ampere-based graphics cards in the form of the RTX 3000 series. They dropped a video this week talking all about cooler design, in which they quietly confirm that there is a 12-pin power connector coming. It's going to be oriented vertically. And they also give us a tiny little teaser of what the new reference card cooler design is going to be. Surprise, surprise, it lines up with all the leaked images we've been seeing for months. Anyways, guys, that's it for the Weekly Bites today. We'll be back again next week with more news for you, and definitely going to be talking about the new graphics cards then. In the meantime, we suggest you hit the subscribe button down there along with the bell so that you get notified every time we launch a new video. Head on over to Twitter and subscribe there so that you keep up to date with what we're talking about, what's going through our heads, what projects we're working on. And of course, head on over to Patreon and support us. Become a patron. Get access to our daily thoughts, our early access to our videos. And once a month, we're going to be launching a video exclusive to our patrons. Anyways, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you all later. Ciao.